Instagram, Facebook, give you a little cash flash. About $8 here, man. But this is what it's all about, man. How are you guys doing? If you guys who don't know me, Martin Morris, 52, 26 and a half years of sales. Developed a 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group program where we study some of the skills learned from that Undercover Billionaire show. We study some of the skills the billionaires or successful people are using to build $1 million business. I developed a $6, $60, $600, $6,000 product programs for you. Based on, we have Grant Cardone, we have Glenn Stearns, we have Monique, we have Elaine. It's just taking those skills and helping you build a business, because you saw yesterday with the so-called infrastructure program that they're trying to push. It's all about the money, man. I don't love you. I love you. Do this, do that. It's like, all about money, I tell you, man. I'm trying to figure out what's more important, love or money. How about having money so you can love? Maybe that's what it is now. So yesterday, I talked to you about the number 0. I went to the dealer, 1 credit card, 0. Didn't get anything. 0 is a number. I had to take my car in. I had to get it fixed up. Boom. Hey, Martin, we need you to pay. This card didn't work. 0. Then I had another card that worked. It's 146. But I had to have that 0 to start. Just always think of 0 as a starting point. You can't even get an F without a 0. So you take that for what it's worth. And then also this week we've been talking a little bit about follow-up. 2% of the people buy your product the first time. Therefore, businesses, based on what we're talking about with our closes, underestimate the amount of effort, the amount of people, and the amount of times you have to keep repeating the message. Because people are like, they may not have the money, they need to plan for it, they need to budget for it, or they need to find it. So you have all these different ways of people trying to find ways to make money. Get the money for your product. Or they just may not have confidence in you. They've had bad experiences. So you're rehabilitating the buyer. That's what I'm saying. 2% of the people buy of 1. 3% if you make 2 contacts. 4%, I believe, if you make 3 contacts, or 4% if you make. I'll give you the most one. But what I'm saying is that most of the sales, 80% of the sales are made after the 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity. It says 5 to 12, but it could be 5 to 30, man. You never know. But it's up to you to keep asking. So today I'll give you a quick close, but seeing how many of you guys how many of you like the content. I'm just trying to give you the facts right now, because I guess I hear there's a shortage of workers. I don't know what people are doing, man. I see some of these people in my apartment, man. I see more luxury cars in front of 7-Eleven, probably in front of 7-Eleven than I do in front of Chevron. That $4.85 gas got people with these luxury cars going to these ghetto gas stations. Don't do that, man. That's why I had the program, $75, $145, $275 program to help you pay off your car loan faster. Use that. Get that car paid off. At least you can get 1 or 2 months ahead. So, hey, you can afford a set of tires and comfortably buy the tires without going into debt. Do an oil change. Buy quality gas. Hey, buy quality food. See, people parking with Mercedes and BMWs and I hate to talk about you guys, but it hurts my heart, because I used to have a 2007 BMW. And when I had my car, I got caught during that time where gas went up. And I ended up costing myself $5,000 for a gallon of gas, because I didn't get gas when I should have, and I messed up my fuel pump. It cost $5,000 to fix. So for a gallon of gas, it cost me $5,000. So I know how it is, man. So when I see people, I saw a BMW and a Mercedes parked in front of Audis. Why don't you just go to a grocery outlet, man? What's the difference? You get a better selection at grocery outlet than you would at Audi's. What do you say? Well, they got better fruit and vegetables? That's why, get that car loan paid up, man. Well, you guys can go to Vons, or at least if you guys go to Trader Joe's, you can buy 2 bags instead of 1. I look at these people coming out of Trader Joe's. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Got a Mercedes, the $80,000 Land Rover Discovery, the Audis, and they bring out 1 bag? What the fuck is that? I'm 6'2", 207 pounds. I don't know how people do it, man. You go subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like on this one, man. Because I don't know what people be doing anymore, man. But don't let that be you. That's why I come to you with your closers. So if you sell videos, if you sell freezers, if you sell refrigerators, if you sell stoves, if you sell cars, if you sell home improvement, you just sell appointments and get paid. Buy the Closure Survival book from me, $75. I have a special $100 program. We'll go over 5 to 10 closes. I have a $150 program. You buy this Closure Survival Guide, pick 10 to 15 closes we'll go through with. And then also we can have one Zoom call. You can just say, like, we can have one Zoom call follow up. You can just let me know how things went and I can follow up with you. So try that. Also, we have a $500, $600, $700 program to help you get those student loans caught up. Because even in the days of Biden and Camilla, if you don't have that student loan caught up, you ain't gonna get you a house in Bannon, man. In Mescoy. In San Bernardino, man. I'm just saying, man. So let me get you your close of the day. Here's your close for the day. The Justify close. Sir, how do you justify an investment of this size? This is just this is when you're selling, say, $35,000 bracelet. Hey, what motivated you to buy this $35,000 bracelet today? Anything in there? Any other reason why you would want to make an investment of this magnitude? Pause. So Grant says, page 220, Justify close. Dixon uses a crowd close or lock close. Hey, you're at the register. Let me ask you, sir, why I'm getting your package ready. What motivated you? You want to make sure they don't bring it back. I had a mistake this weekend. I should have did a little bit more information. I could have sold more. If I did a little bit more information, I was so obsessed on making a sale, I didn't go through my product options properly. So it's important. Go through your options for your things that you have. Just take a couple of minutes, do a little quick search, especially if it's I sell expensive handbags, I sell certain crystals. Make sure you do some information, because the customer wants what the customer wants. As soon as the customer saw what she wanted, I knew I had sold her the wrong bag, and that was my fault. And then she exchanged it, and it was a whole bunch of bullshit that went through it. Oh my God. It's not like Macy's. Remember Macy's? You just return it, give them the money. Some places got to just exchange it. And oh my God. Equal or lesser value. Equal or more. Oh, goodness sakes. Headache. But made the sale. Sale was not hard. It's just, you want to make sure you make the sale, but you also want to make sure you keep the sale. Or if that person comes back, you want to make sure they buy an additional product, as they call it, a second sale, to supplement the purchase that they already made. So thought I'd talk to you about that. Try to Justify close. Join my 5,000 subscriber challenge. And hey, you guys with those expensive cars, buy my shit, man. Buy my stuff so I can help you get your car loan caught up. 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group. I got a $500, $600, $7 program. If you're obsessed about getting a house, let me help you get your student loan paid down. $75, $145, $275 programs help you get your car loan paid down. Let me help you, man. I see some of you guys in these expensive cars, man. You be going to the gym. You'll be drinking no water. Don't be eating no food. What's with that, man? I don't know how you guys do it, man. Go to Trader Joe's, you'll buy one bag of food. Big as me. Twice as big as me, buying one bag. What the fuck, man? I see them walk. Sometimes I see people walking with little dogs. I'm like, man, I hope they ain't gonna eat that dog, man. Expensive car, one bag of food. Fido, you better be on the... Fido, you better keep that head on a swivel. Later.